Okay, so today I'm going to prepare breakfast slash lunch, and the idea here is to use some leftover vegetables. It does look like leftover, right? But I don't know, I just came in summer mood. Maybe this one is not a leftover after all. But I'm going to use some pan, the rest of it. That's why I call it leftover breakfast. I got this one. And what I'm going to do with, yeah, this is, don't look in the kitchen. It's yesterday I was painting some TV series, so as a result, I didn't clean out the kitchen before before breakfast. So, but it doesn't matter. I still have some clean utensils and accessories. Oh, that's it here. I'm going to steam asparagus. It's like my favorite cooking method for the last 2 months. Maybe more. Okay, so again, I need to fill out the container, preferably with cold water. Doesn't work? Oh, I just put it here. Oh. Well, this time I'm going to, usually I set the timer for 8:30, but this time maybe I just go 8 minutes top. So vegetables and 8 minutes, where is it? Oh, and start. 8 minutes here. And this for, oh, this goes to, oh no, I just realized that I'm not going to eat. I'm not going to eat any bread slices like a sandwich. So this is not a good idea here, but I'm going to use some, where is it? Shitake mushrooms. Shitake. Okay, this one. And leftover onion. It's from yesterday's burgers. And this time, very small chopping board. And this time, this is supposed to be for, oh, actually I need more bowls. Give me a second, what's happening here? Couldn't decide, should I start with the onion or mushrooms? Or together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, 3 minutes. Oh. I think I need to sharpen the knife because it's really hard to cutting with the one. Really hard. That's why I place it here. I didn't cut it to the end. And this goes here. I think I need to start with onion and then add mushrooms. And for the mushrooms, I need to wash them a little bit. It will be a little bit of struggle because my it's more light. Because my sink is full. I need to take half of this out of the package, like that. Okay, and the rest goes to the fridge. So basically, it's like I think it's like 6 ounces. I think I should have started with mushrooms instead of onions, I guess. I need to go. Whoa, what was that? I think I need a bigger visualize. Maybe I should have used the bigger frying pan, you know, like this one. Like this one, yeah. Yeah. So change of mind again, 3 minutes because this time a new whoa, oh god. Put it, it's like hot. Place it here. Okay. Okay, I'm done with this one. I'm done with the mushrooms. And now what I need to do is to take the pan and find a serrated knife. But this time, the idea is to toast the pan. Oh, hold on a sec. The idea is to toast the pan and then cut the pan into pieces and add to what's happening here. I'm trying to have a center view, but just maybe I moved too much. Oh, so the idea is to cut the toast into pieces and then add to the scrambled eggs. That's the idea. What I'm going to do, I don't know. But let's stick to the plan. It's too big. I need another bowl. Maybe I will move that one. That as well. Maybe later. Okay, so meanwhile I'm cracking some eggs. Waiting. Oh, whoa, eggshell. Ah, man, I don't want to touch. Smalls. Okay, this one. Okay. Place it here. Ah, man. Adding 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. This one is ready too. Okay, and coming back to asparagus. They're ready, right? Oh, wow, that's hot. Actually, I should stop it here and then unplug it, but that's me. Timer for 1 minute. Adding some, where's pepper? Oh, there, okay. What I'm doing right now is thinking, yeah, I need to remove this one that I started with. I mean, the messy kitchen is just distracting, you know. That's why I prefer clean one because I know what I'm going to do, and right now I keep forgetting things because there are too many things here. Okay, so now it's time to use some mayo. Let's go with this. What was that? Stop it. This one? Yeah, okay, I'm going to use this spatula for mushrooms. Meanwhile, I'm going to remove the bands and just cut them. Be careful because it's hot. Let's cut them. Come on, wait. In the cube. I can't have to wait because it's super hot. I'm barely cutting it. Yes, I'm going to use the bowl and tongs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to also use the scissors to cut asparagus, or maybe this way it's easier. Just place it and cut it like that. I hate the smell of asparagus, but I love the taste. almost ready to add to scramble eggs. Let's check it out. Mushroom. Very delicious. I was thinking, because I'm going to lay them somewhere, like here, and I was thinking how to add belly turkey here to the mix. So I'm thinking, maybe I'm using the same technique for turkey as for asparagus, which means that I'm going to cut it into cubes and add it to the frying pan. Where's like my scissors? Where's my hard scissors? Oh, here. I'm hurry, so this is like super good. Oh no, I don't have this. Oh no, even under. I just realized I used a lot of balls here to prepare this dish. But it looks like it's faster, you know, with the scissors, because I don't have a chopping board to do it. If you have one, you can do it the traditional way, but if you don't, this is the way to do it. Maybe you have another idea how to cut, slice, whatever you can. Maybe you can just. But this is like almost ready. I'm going to place it over here to the bowl. Oh, it's sticking to the surface. Place it here, add it there. Okay, I think it's enough. Well, for safety reasons, you can just turn it off like that if you start and slowly remove turkey from the frying pan. And then you just turn on the gas, again the same, medium, and maybe add some half a spoon of olive oil. Add some onions. Oh wait, I think this one. This is place here. Oh. I feel like it's not. There's no place for this bowl here. Oh no, it's this. I don't like this part. I think I'm going to remove it. Or maybe not. Or just part of it. So this is served here, like that. And coming back to, wow, that's like. I'm thinking how to address this mixture. Should I serve it together or inside scramble eggs? I'm still thinking. Because this is the next idea came to me today, so I need to serve it like that. Just double check. Leave that. This one. Really cool. I think I made it scrambled. Whoa, right now. Do this. Because this is a super fast cooking process. And at the end, I'm going to add the mix. I just feel like I need to add one more egg because my frying pan looks like it's eating one egg, you know. And this one goes here on the top. And the rest I'm going to, oh, I still think right. Where is my, where's the phone? And the rest I'm going to add like the last one. Actually, I changed my idea. What I'm going to do right now is this. Check this out. I have, no, this one. I need this one. That's one better. I'm going to place it here like that. Like a base. Like a base. And then on top, I'm going to add the scrambled eggs. And I think this is a great idea. So, that's nice. Like evenly spread it. And whoa. And check this out. And I'm going to add some mayo here like that. Ah! This is like, oh wow, this is super heavy. I'm adding scrambled eggs on top of this base. Look at this. Like that. You see? Oh wow, that's super heavy. So, this is the result. Look at this. So, thank you for watching and happy cooking.